Hi, it's Miss Todoric, and these are new membership levels. We have something new I've tried this year, 2025. It's a shout out. So this is 99 cents, and I'm going to give you the top 10 status on my channel for a week, and then I'll also create a YouTube short. So this you can see on the homepage. Let me show you. So if you go to my homepage, here are the member shoutouts. So all these guys have already been up here for like a week, and then I'll rotate it. I probably have like 16 shoutouts, member shoutouts, and then I'll also create, there's YouTube shorts. So you'll see, go subscribe, and it's like a homework assignment that I give all my students, and they can just click on the link and go subscribe to all these channels. So I'm definitely subscribed. I like supporting other YouTube entrepreneurs, so you guys can do the same. So that's 99 cents. And then I'm going to go back. Oh, I wasn't even sharing the tab. So here we are. Let me show you. So right here, member shoutouts, only 99 cents. So I scrolled over. And then you will have a playlist right here, shout out members, where it's a YouTube short. All right, so now let me go back to the share this tab. All right, so misstodoric.com. This is a website shout out. So I'm going to go to my website. This is misstodoric.com. This is the homepage. You'll read a little bit more about me. My resume is on that homepage. And then the second tab in is shoutouts. So here I'll put a link to your YouTube channel. And this you can get listed over here for $4.99. All right, going back. The next level, we have test out explanation. These are all the test out, like the entire playlist, except Office Pro. So Office Pro, they're full walkthroughs, and that's all access. This is $49.99. And then the explanations are $19.99. So let me go show you on the channel. The best way is to go to playlist because there's a lot of videos. And then when you go to playlist, you're going to see like this, answers only. This would be $19.99. So Test Out Client Pro, $19.99. CertMaster Learn Network, the same. They're like answers only, no full walkthroughs. Linux Pro, answers only. That's also $19.99. Test Out IT Fundamentals, $19.99. So you get all of these playlists. Security Pro, Test Out Routing and Switching, except the one thing that you don't would be the Office Pro. So these are full walkthroughs of 222 videos. So this entire playlist, you don't. And what do I mean by full walkthrough?
Hi, this is Miss Todoric, and
I'm just going to show you. So these are questions. Let me get a lab.
to the
So
back.
this is the lab.
Then we're
I'll
gonna
go
turn
ahead
on
and show you
both the monitor
exactly
and the computer.
like I do the
Okay,
lab.
so let's get that
So that's a
HDMI
full
cable. So
walkthrough.
you see the components are right here on the shelf. Here's one connector, it's unconnected. So you want to click on it.
I'm going to show you another one. This is a full walkthrough. So you're going to do that to each paragraph. And then like I'll read through the instructions and then I'll show you exactly what you need to do on the document. So that's a full walkthrough. Let me show you an example of, I guess, just an explanation. So let's go back. All right, let me go back to the channel. Playlist. And then let's go no learning. So here is the explanation. So it just kind of tells you exactly what to do. So that's an explanation. And then some I'll just give you like the answers, the lesson review. I'll just show you the answers. All right, so let's go back, share this tab. So that's Test Out Explanation, $19.99, and those are all the test out all the courses like IT Fundamentals, Linux Pro, Network Pro, PC Pro, Routing and Switching, CertMaster Learn, Test Out Security, Digital Literacy, CertMaster, and then Client Pro. Some playlists I do the full walkthrough, but not all. So that's why I just put it under explanation, and that's why it's less. It's $19.99. If you are taking one of those classes and you do have a full walkthrough, if you're looking to make extra cash, reach out to me. I will be more than willing to pay you to complete. I just don't have the time to make all these full walkthroughs. So again, it's Wendy Todoric at Gmail, or you can do the Cool Classroom. The email is on the homepage of the YouTube channel. All right, next level, the All Access, that's entire walkthrough. I explained that. So that was the Office Pro. Then we have a classroom party sponsor where if you are a company, we're going to purchase $99 worth. Usually I'll have like pizza parties, like Domino pizza parties, Tillamook ice cream pizza parties. And we'll have, since I have a lot of classes, I teach 5 classes per semester. So we'll have like a monthly class party, one YouTube short, and then I could review your website. And then we have a company sponsor for $249, and that's creating a YouTube short. Most likely, if you are a company and your store is located at the Woodbury Commons, that's where I usually go. So, and we can I'll model an outfit from the Woodbury, create like a kind of like a mini commercial, like a YouTube short promoting your store, and also a long form video of your store. So that's company sponsor. And those are all the levels. All right. Thank you so much. I'll let you know if I switch it up, but I think I'm going to keep this for a while, for at least a couple months, and see how it goes. Thanks again. Thanks for being a member. Thanks for subscribing. And don't forget to visit misstodoric.com. And if you are a member, don't forget to get your free gift. Fill out that form. All right. Thanks. Bye.